Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my birthday series.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today.
So basically the series means I'll be uploading 7 videos from 6th of September to the 12th of September. You'll be getting to see this face daily on YouTube and and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do that right now so that you will be updated about each and every video that I upload. Also do not forget to click on the bell button so that you will get the notification as well. So guys, today is the first video and the first thing which I was very excited, like I have shopped a lot of earrings for my this year's birthday. So yeah, I will be showing all of them to you, and also I have found out a site which I think some of you might know, and even if you don't, then don't worry, you're gonna be really happy when you'll get to know about this site. I have bought 6 earrings from their site and I'm gonna show you all of them. So yeah, let's get started. So talking about the first site, I'm really excited to show you all because they have such good quality earrings in such an affordable range. Like इनके site पे आपको 200 से ज़्यादा के earrings बहुत मुश्किल से मिलेंगे. Yes, you heard that right. So the site that I'm talking about is everstylish.com. Now some of you might already know about this site, but for people who don't know, let me tell you. everstylish.com is a site. They also have Instagram page. I got to know about this site from my Instagram only. So the first earring that I'll be showing is my favorite one. That is this one. Yeah, how pretty this is. It has a starfish sort of design and I really love this one. This is literally my most favorite one. So this is how the earring looks like. This is my absolute favorite. You can tell by seeing this only. This upar wala shell sort of thing is completely plain, but the starfish is little bit textured, as you can see right here. So yeah, but I really love the texture, the finishing and everything. और ये बिल्कुल भी cheap quality का नहीं लगता है. This is quite good quality product. And yeah, this is how it looks. पीछे से it has a button right here to insert. I'm really happy with this one. So now talking about the second piece, that is these ones. These are like square hoops, really big. And मेरे पास circle hoop पहले से था, so I wanted to try some different hoops. उन लोग के पास golden hoops भी था शायद, golden circle वाले hoops और silver. If I'll get the link, then I'll leave in the description. But yeah, this is how it looks like and they are quite huge, but I really love this one and the quality is also really good. You can literally wear it with any of your western outfit and it's gonna look really superb. So yeah, that's about it, and the price I don't remember. You can see it on the screen. Now talking about the third earring, this is how the earring looks like. 2 छोटा circles and it has this marble print sort of thing. They also had one more earrings जिसमें कि दोनों golden थे, but I have quite a lot of golden earrings. I wanted something different, so yeah, I went for this one. And honestly, I was expecting the size to be quite big, maybe इसके जितना, like yeah, I was expecting it to be quite big, but still इसका जैसा size है, it doesn't bother me so much. So yeah, this is actually my third favorite. सारी मेरे फेवरेट है, ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा है. Now after that I have a little bit Indian touch it has in it. So the fourth one are these ones. This is how it looks. it has this leaves thing going on right here and a chota sa pastel pink color stone right here, and it has a chota sa this one right here जो कि आपके कान में रहेगा, and this will look very very pretty with Indian outfits. If you want to go for a very minimal Indian outfit like किसी parties वगैरह में, you know, you just want to go for very very minimal, then these ones are the one to go for. Now after that 2-3 earrings are for my mom as well. So first one is these ones. इस ऐसा टाइप का सर्कल में देखे होंगे. These ones were of heart, as you can see. Yeah, this is how it looks. These are like statement earrings, and it has this sort of kata sort of texture going on in the sides. But yeah, these ones are also really good. After that I have got one more for her, that is these tassel earrings. Tassel thoda idhar udhar ho jata hai, it's okay. This is how it looks, and yeah, these are also really pretty. The size is exactly how it was expected to be. These are gonna look really pretty with your any maroon or yellow color or white color Indian outfits. So guys, that was it about the 6 earrings that I got from the site called everstylish.com. Now moving on to one more site, and these earrings I got from this brand called Jewels Galaxy, but I haven't shopped them from their site. I got this one from Flipkart. I'll leave the link in the description, you can check that out. Now this complete set I have got for rupees 350, and I have got 6 earrings, which I feel is a steal deal. Now yeah, look at the earrings once. These are so pretty, and the beach wala that you cannot see is the one I'm wearing right now. The first one, let me tell you in detail what it has in it. These are like top earrings, like for days, you know, जब कुछ भी, you know, इतना बड़ा बड़ा earrings पहनने का मन नहीं करता है, and you know, for college, office, you know, for everyday wear, these 3 earrings are the best. First one has a stone sort of thing in it. Yeah, it just has a stone in it, that's it. And also these earrings are very very lightweight, which is super. Now talking about the second one, these are like simple white pearl earrings, and yeah, these are quite thoda sa bada hai, but yeah, these are gonna look really good. After that we have these golden heart wala earrings, top wale, and this one also look really really pretty. I love the whole set. Now after that I have the most favorite, which I wanted for the very
From a very long
time, are these pearl hoops, and yeah, this is how it looks from the back side. See, it has this gap, and yeah, but honestly one thing I would say, that I was expecting these pearl hoops to be a little big. As you can see the size difference in both of these earrings, I was expecting the pearls one to be, you know, इतना सा बड़ा, कम से कम इसके हाइट का होना चाहिए था, but they are quite small. But it's okay because the pearls quality looks very good, and the earring is very good. It doesn't feel heavy on my ears, and और क्या चाहिए. Now the last one, it has this, you know, textured like golden, the golden one, and it has the pearl, छोटे छोटे pearl spiral होके हैं उसके ऊपर, which looks really really pretty. And the last earring of this combo are these ones, which I'm wearing right now. These are textured golden hoops. It has little bit of texture, you know, line wala texture, not anything different. So guys, that was it about today's accessories haul video. If you guys really like this video, then you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all other videos that I'll be posting in this series. And I really hope that you guys will love it. If you want any other haul or anything of that sort, just let me know in the comments below. We'll definitely try and do it for you guys. That's it for today's video. I hope to see you guys soon with a new video, which you guys will definitely enjoy watching. Bye bye, take care, and do let me in the comments what do you think about this video.